basically consists of two aspects. First, it deals with eve teasing, and second, it deals with rape. And in this workshop, the girls are given self-defense techniques, how to escape in dangerous situations, because nowadays there are a lot of situations the girls suffer and they have to keep quiet because either they don't know how to react in that situation or they are afraid of reacting in that situation. So this workshop helps the girls to upbuild their self-confidence to fight against such situations. Also, we are giving them tricks how to escape from these situations, and ultimately they should survive themselves. They should be survived in their lives. Most major part is about these two crimes, but not only we are dealing with these two crimes, it deals with n number of situations, n number of crimes. At the end of the day, we ask them their feedback letters in which we come to know their problems, we try to solve their problems, and we try to help them out in that situation. And many girls have actually benefited from this workshop.
They molest their niece and all, and girls keep quiet, and if elder sister keep quiet, then younger sister face the problem. So these are also the cases we are getting most of the time in the schools. Relatives also they molest. If they tell to their parents are saying to keep quiet, don't go outside, don't get involved with them. Parents are telling them, so they are not getting open up.
उत्तर गोंयांत ह्या उपक्रमाक खंय बरो प्रतिसाद मेळ्ळा. सुमार 12,000 चलयांनी प्रात्यक्षिकां अटेंड केल्यात.
So far, we train more than 110,000 girls. In Karnataka is maximum, and different part of country around 20,000 girls we train. Like Chennai, metropolitan cities we covered. Mumbai, Chennai, Delhi, Bangalore, Hyderabad, and all. Now we are doing in Goa. North Goa almost completed, around 10 to 11,000 girls are trained now so far. So South Goa is left out. Now we are going to cover South Goa next 2 months.
Prudent खातीर सावयो टायर्स.